Hello there. Hello there. Hello there. In this video, we're gonna go visit the Fiery Furnace here in Arches National Park. It's a fantastic series of all kinds of cool rock formations, slot canyons, really cool towers. Check it out. Now you do have to get a permit to come here, but in February, like it is now, it's pretty easy. They only allow about 100 people in a day. And then the lottery to get the permit is actually a first come first serve. You just kind of go online to recreation.gov and you can get it. It's like $10 a pop. Good thing we have one of those. Let's get it. Cool. That's a big tree. And here we are on our first little arch. This one's cool. There's a hole. This is wild, dude. Wow.
That was the trick as kids when we were potty training us, eating super berries before bed.
Pretty thin. Pretty thin, don't you say? These junipers coming like right out of the rock. Way cool. Alright, so right here, the trail or the route goes this way. We're gonna follow this wash to Skull Arch and the Abbey Arch. Oh, let's go in here actually.
This one of the slot canyons.
That's pretty cool. That rock's not going anywhere for a while. Oh, alcove. Hello there. His wife's mad at him. Oh yeah. Dude, what is this stuff? I haven't seen this in a long time. Wow. Have you seen this stuff lately, dude? This is crazy. Whoa. It's like green and soft. Dude. It's like a carpet for sure. Alright. Pothole. Let's see if we see any of them fairy shrimp.
See if we see any tardigrades.
I want to see a tardigrade now.
This big, so.
Right?
Just
There's something in there.
Yeah.
I saw something right here. Maybe it's just the water moving. Like this. But yeah, that's the Skull Arch right there for sure.
Yeah, it is.
Cool.
You can turn it around and just like water.
Water in the desert. Wow. That's a cool arch. Alright, so we're gonna keep going this way. Cools. They gotta fix the plumbing in this place. Maybe. Unless that arch is like...
It appears we could have gone either direction.
Is this what they call the Abbey Arch? I don't know. Huh? Does it? Alright, we're looking for the Abbey Arch. And it says either... We think it goes this way.
We're really close.
But yeah, I don't think we can get up that unless we climb Prince of Persia style. You know, but that ain't happening. I might be dumb, but I ain't stupid. It sure don't look like it. All right, Abbey Arch has eluded us. All right, Skull Arch, we'll see you in a bit. We're going back.
All right, well, keep your secrets.
Oh man, we're not going to the belly of the whale. It looks like it's the belly of the whale. You're not going to get back out of that thing. Oh look, here's your pit of possible return. You're not getting out of that. Everywhere you go. After the Skull Arch, there's so many different ways that you can get lost. Like kissing turtles. So you get turned around right by the kissing turtle arch, but yeah, they have these things called maps. And Josiah's smart enough to have one. Go around one little corner and it looks completely different again. There's a big hole. Let's go there. Wow, that drops quick. Maybe not.
Maybe not.
We just went the wrong way again. It's gonna happen in here. Big man, little crack.
Big man, little black.
Yeah, that's a little crack for sure. Don't lose your sunglasses here. Yeah, it's pretty narrow in here, for sure. But way cool. Way cool. Surprise arch. Surprise arch. It's insane. We're lost. Look at this guy. You know, like little spikies. That's cool. Doesn't look like he's alive, but he is. This is not Josiah size sometimes. Look at this thing. Alright. That's deceptive. Hello there.
Your little canoe.
All right, we were told there's an arch back here, so we're gonna go check it out. Surprise! Yep, there it is. Wow.
Cool.
It's a surprise arch. Yeah, here's surprise arch. It was made by the Spanish in 1945. All right, surprise arch. This is cool. Definitely worth it. Come find this one. It's a little slick right here, though. What's that?
The 1,000 years of wind erosion just slowly carved out this arch.
Yeah, this is the coolest arch I've seen. You can like touch it and everything. It's crazy. Nature knew these steps were needed. Alright. Pretty sure the exit's right there. Apparently if you eat these juniper berries, it'll help you not pee at night. Alright, fiery furnace. Keep your secrets if you must.
2 brain cells and they're both fighting for 3rd place.
Alright. Well, and just like that, you pop right back out. Wow. These little arrows in here are very little. Been doing good the whole time, and then we got lost at the end. Look at that. Not even anything to get lost in. We're lost. This is the biologic crust that you shouldn't step on. Ended up going back to the beginning.
Straight out, we went back.
Yeah.
Down.
Alright, fire furnace. Highly recommended hike. That was an awesome hike. I got a black eye. Look at that. Damn, you can really see it on camera.